satellite manufacturing, build, and launch process. From the smartphones in our pockets to the GPS guiding our cars, satellites power much of modern life. But how exactly are these marvels of technology built and launched into space? Today, we'll take you inside the fascinating process of satellite manufacturing and the journey to the stars. Not all satellites are the same. Some forecast the weather, others connect phone calls, monitor climate change, or even spy on enemy movements. Before a satellite is built, engineers must define its mission, because that mission determines its design. The design phase is where ideas meet precision. Engineers create digital blueprints that detail every component, from solar panels to communication antennas. This process can take months, even years, ensuring the satellite can survive the harsh vacuum of space. Inside ultra-clean environments, technicians assemble satellites with extreme care. Even a single speck of dust could damage sensitive instruments. Components like power systems, onboard computers, and propulsion units are integrated step by step. Every piece is meticulously tested because once a satellite is launched, repairs are nearly impossible. Before launch, satellites endure rigorous testing. They're shaken violently to mimic rocket vibrations. They're frozen and baked in vacuum chambers to simulate space temperatures. Radiation tests ensure electronics survive the cosmic environment. Once cleared for flight, satellites are carefully transported to the launch site. Here, they're integrated into the rocket's payload fairing, the protective nose cone that shields them during ascent. Launch day is the moment of truth. After years of planning and billions of dollars in investment, all eyes are on the rocket. With a fiery roar, the satellite begins its journey to orbit, traveling at speeds of over 28,000 kilometers per hour. Once in orbit, the satellite separates from the rocket and deploys its solar panels. Engineers back on Earth send signals to confirm everything is functioning. From here, the satellite begins its mission, silently circling Earth, transmitting vital data. From design to deployment, satellite manufacturing is one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. Every successful launch expands our reach into the universe, connecting our world in ways once thought impossible. And as technology advances, the skies above us will only grow more crowded with the machines that power our future. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.